favourite, curried egg sandwiches. All we need, eggs to boil, some curry powder, bread. That's about it. Okay. Now, leave them for about 5 minutes. If it's longer, it doesn't matter. I'll probably leave it 10 minutes. I'll go do some work, come back. Right, boil them till they're solid and let them cool down now. That's already peeled. So first thing I'll do, I'll use a knife to cut them up. I'll take 3 of the yolks out, leave 2 in there. Curry powder, and then you mash them together with a fork. What I'm going to do, again, some low fat cottage cheese, throw a little bit in there. Notice I've bent the fork, and that'll just give it some additional consistency. A splash of water. Try and make it stick together a little bit as I put it on the sandwiches. You can see that's a little bit more mushy now. Okay, the bread is from the local bakery. It's not a commercial bread. It's only a day old and it's starting to go stale already, so it's not full of preservatives and chemicals and all sorts of rubbish. There you go. 3 of those. That'll be 6 slices of bread, 2 egg yolks and 5 egg whites. That's a full meal. Thanks.